What's up, y'all? It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun back at y'all with another Smoking Metal Car Fun video. Today, y'all see I'm working on the truck, the Dodge Ram 1500 5.9 liter engine, 4x4, and my son actually got a new toy, a new car. Told y'all it was coming. It's been here for about almost a month, not even a whole month, but yeah, he got his new little car. But I'm gonna check his steering because he got a problem with turning, so it might be the rack, but it might not be. So another Cadillac to the is it dead? Huh? Where your key at? Oh, you on the phone. All right, so I'm gonna move my truck out the way so that way he can pull his car up here so that way I can work on it or fool with it. Something, we're gonna do something to it. Don't know really what, but we're gonna do something. So I'm just gonna back up and pull over here. First, of course, I got my jack stand, my jack, and we got a bed for the spare bedroom, well, a frame for the mattress to go in the spare bedroom of his place. So yeah, yep, slowly. So I'm gonna pull my truck over here real quick. Give me a minute.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity.
Okay.
I gotta wait for her to get back anyway, but I don't gotta be there till 12:30.
Okay, so the boy got to be rescued already, as y'all can see.
At least I'm at home.
At least he at home. I will give him that. Luckily, Dad to the rescue.
So I thought you were going to it.
Go ahead, drive it as back up as you back. Do it as you backing up. You gonna have to go up. All right, so it was a fight. My phone died. I mean, my battery. Golly, y'all. My phone was full on storage, so it was a fight. Yeah, I wish y'all could have seen it. And I'm looking like, how did you drive this thing home like this, buddy? He hollered he could pull out, do it again. You don't want to do that again. Look, you hear him say no. But he got him a nice little clean buy. You know, he gonna get it, do his little touches, but he wanna, right now, he need work. This is his work vehicle, as y'all can see. No radio in the Cadillac.
I don't know what they got going on with these wires, though.
Yeah, so of course we gotta go through here. He had a system in here, as you can see.
Yeah, he took out all the speakers.
Yeah, so you know, just a little freshening up, and I think he'll be good. You know, so he got that going for him. It runs, it does drive, but we gotta figure out what's going on. Somewhat. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. It 90, 95, 98% drives. Only thing wrong is he can't turn like he wants to. But so
You got an aftermarket exhaust on it. That's about the only thing that's actually done up to it.
okay, what'd you say?
The only thing that's really done up to it right now is it's got an aftermarket exhaust.
Okay.
He had a system in it.
Right.
Did some work under the hood, but
Nothing major, but
I do have to get this fixed because
it locks.
I have to use the
You know, shift it in and out of gear. So drive it like you stole it. But it's a good buy though. Y'all won't believe what he paid for it. Lie to y'all or not. Y'all get in the comments. I'm gonna be honest with you, I ain't gonna tell y'all in this video. So get in the comments, tell me what y'all think the young man paid for him. A Cadillac CTS V6 Sport package on it. Got the dual exhaust. Go hit it for one time. All right. We said hit it one time. He hit it. So shut it down. Yeah, shut it down. We gonna end this video real quick. Roll your windows up, and we're gonna get back to it, and I'm gonna do something to it, I guess, figure out what's going on with his steering, and we're gonna end this video off. Ram, getting some stuff done to her, but just wanted to introduce the new Cadillac to the family. The black Cadillac Escalade, she's gone, and my son got him a Cadillac, so there we are. And I'm the Ram in the family. I'm the big head Ram in the family. That's how we do it. Let's pop the trunk. Let me see what it's looking like under the trunk. In the trunk. Oh, let me tell y'all something. Hey, trunk heavy. So, you know, quick walk around. You know, you can see where he had the system wired at. Right there. So he still got his ground wire in there. Pop the hood for me. Let's see what we looking like under the hood on this little thing. Yeah. Of course, he got his daddy skills, so who knows what it's gonna turn out looking like. For real. Hit it one more time. There you go.
Gotta get that fixed too.
He got a thing. Whew. A little dusty underneath.
I already got the aftermarket intake on it.
Need to be cleaned. Hook up a new one. But it ain't too bad. So I had to move some more storage, y'all. So for a little V6 though, you know, it's a Cadillac though. Shoot, you know it moves. Y'all tell me. I'm gonna be honest with you. I've never drove in a Cadillac CTS. Be honest with you, never. You know, trucks, yes. Cars, nope. So, what you think, bud, about this new little box? You like it?
Yeah, it's got a nice start to it already, so it's not like
Right. This is a nice starter vehicle, man. You know? Nice starter vehicle. All your lights work, everything work. He say he checked all the fluids before he left with the car to make sure his fluids was good.
so they're not so foggy.
Yeah, but
Probably gonna put some LED headlights in there.
yeah.
Got my underglows already. Got all that already.
He a little bit ready, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. He got stuff. I told y'all I be collecting stuff,
Try to do the same.
and till when I eventually need it, or it might be something I already had that I don't need no more, I tend to keep it.
Just got some new mats for her because we ain't going with the blue.
Oh yeah, he got some mats. He got some mats. Those got blue. So, and when the dude did the speakers, he just cut them out.
Put screws in here. This is very tacky.
Yeah, very tacky. He did that to the back speakers, not the front.
Correct.
Okay. So.
I don't think you ever changed the front ones.
All right.
But all four speakers back here taken out.
I saw that.
The 10-inch sub that was in here was
The
taken
factory sub. Who
out.
that?
Because it was dry rotted.
All right.
But she got some work needs to be done.
That's what's up.
Shouldn't take too long.
Everything will come.
Oh, man. Yeah.
All right.
She got one dent, 2 dents.
Let me get a thumbnail.
Yep.
You already know.